Welcome everyone to another tutorial of TensorFlow GPU installation. In this video I'll show everything how to prepare your object detection API with TensorFlow 1.11 to do the job. So this tutorial might be different from previous and future tutorials because I'm doing this video on my laptop computer, because on my desktop computer I already have everything installed and prepared for the job, and I don't want to install it simply, so I'll show everything for you on my laptop computer and we'll see if it can handle it. So I'll begin with GPU drivers, and I hope that my GPU could handle the TensorFlow because it's quite old. And device manager I can show you, and moreover my computer has only HDD and not SSD. That's a headache and it's so slow that we'll see if how long it takes. And because it's not SSD, it will be quite slow, and it might be that I'll cut some parts of video and make it, for example, make it faster or something like that. So here's the display adapters that on my laptop. The GPU is GeForce GT 650M, and we'll see with that. So okay, while the driver's installation is extracting files, we can install the Python 3.6 version for 46 operating systems. Keep in mind that for TensorFlow you should use not 32-bit version but 64. So add it to path, okay, and I'll install it to custom places for me because it's much better to use it. So I use it like this. If you want you can do the same, but that's only what I do. And press install. As you remember, installation for drivers takes some time, so we'll see. Moreover, here I have the CUDA 10. That's the newest right now. I have the TensorFlow object detection API. I'll install it also. I have cuDNN 9.2 and Protoc 3.4.0, and I'll explain everything how I do. So I tested all these on my desktop computer and this version works just fine, so why not to use them? This is the newest versions right now. So what we can do is extract other files, for example CUDA files. It might slow other processes, but well, we'll see. Anyway, it'll take some time. As you can see, it's still loading, but our cuDNN was extracted. We can now extract our TensorFlow API files. We'll extract them to our local disk. I recommend you do the same. So it seems that my NVIDIA installation can continue. Oh, because other installation is on my way. Okay, let's wait then for this to continue. So I'll need to open this again, extract files. Okay, we will. So as you can see, my Python installation was successful. Let's close it. Now let's wait again. Let's wait for our drivers and let's see if my Python was installed correctly, and it is in the path. So let's go to environment variables. And it should be somewhere here in the path. Okay, it is here. So we will continue with Python preparation while our drivers will be installing. Our Python should open from command prompt. So let's write a Python. If it's opening, it writes that it is 3.6.7 version. Okay. So let's begin with package installation. So what we'll need? So we'll need pip install Python. I wrote something bad. Oh. No. Well, it will be required, so let's try another library, for example, hello. Oh, sorry, I am in Python. So that's pip install Python. It should collect all the needed files and then install them while our drivers are preparing. So let's wait. Okay, it asks us for grading our pip, so let's do it as it says. Grade pip. What the hell? Let's wait a moment. You'll copy the drivers not to wait for extraction again. Okay, it was stuck. I don't know why I waited for so long. So continue with another package. It is context lib 2. It should collect. Okay, next is lx ml. Our drivers can finish, so let's go with installation. I hope everything will be fine right now. I can't wait so long. So let's continue with another Jupyter package. Of course, don't forget that I'll write everything in text version, so you won't need to follow this video because it might be quite long. So my graphics drivers are prepared for installation. I'll install only the drivers. And as you noticed that always when I try to install drivers that it has bug like this right now. I press the agree and continue, but I'll need to wait for about 5 minutes. So what I can do, I'll pause this video or make it. Oh, it's recovered. It's quite fast this time. Okay, and let's see what you can do with custom installation. And okay, I should say that while this installation, my screen can blink or computer restart, so don't worry if something goes wrong, because I'll try to recover the recording of this tutorial. Okay, let's go. Matplotlib. Okay. So it installed successfully our libraries we needed. So you remember I extracted our model to local disk. It was called model master. So I'll rename it to TensorFlow. It will be easier for us to work with it while it will have this name. So TensorFlow, and now we need to add protalk here. Keep in mind, I'm using 3.4 protalk, and there's a reason, because I tried to use the newer version, but I wasn't successful to install it. So I recommend to use this. While for now, at least, maybe the newer version will have any fix or something like that. So I think, oh yeah, we need to add some things to the path. So we'll do that after the computer installation restart. So sorry, I'll stop my installation here and then we'll continue back. So okay, we are back from CUDA installation, and now let's work with our TensorFlow. Let's go to TensorFlow research, and here we go to, okay, what we have to do is at first we have to add this directory to our environment variables. So we go to environment variables and we write here new Python path. We add here this directory and add another is Python path slim folder. Okay, check if it's added. We have both of the directories. Okay, and now we need to install our protalk libraries. So we go to research folder as it is. We open command prompt, go to research directory and write this line of code: TensorFlow directory bin and our protalk, and there's object detection folder protalk and asterisk dot proto python out equal dot. Should be fine. Oh wait, we have some problems here. Maybe wrote something bad. Now I think everything is fine. Yeah, everything is fine. So you should do this line, and then we need to install all the libraries of TensorFlow research. So let's write Python setup.py install. And one more thing I almost forgot, so pip install TensorFlow-GPU. It also might take a few minutes. Okay, the TensorFlow was installed. Now we need to test if it works. So let's write Python and import TensorFlow STF. Okay, we have problems here. So I'll stop a video for a short time. So I rebooted my computer one more time, and I think I've remembered what I forgot. So we go to our NVIDIA GPU computer tool, CUDA 9.0, and we extract here our cuDNN. Extract. Of course, yes, replace, continue. Okay. Okay. And now we can check our Python if it's working. Import TensorFlow STF. It's working. So now we can print the version, TF version. It's 1.11. That's cool. Everything is just fine. Now we did almost everything. Let's go now to our TensorFlow object detection folder, research, and we go to object detection folder. Okay, we copied this and we open command prompt cd, and now we'll test our object detection if it works. So Python builder model builder.p. Let's see if it's working. So far, so no errors. It's good. There wasn't any errors, so I hope it's everything fine with it. Now we try our Jupyter notebook. It should open on internet for us. And now scroll down a little bit and open object detection tutorial. And now we'll start the demo. So go to cell and run all. And as you can see, it's working. Kernel is busy. Let's wait for some result. So, as you can see, it worked. An example was built, and here's the dog, and here is many more things. It's a kite, persons, and I think there's no other objects. So anyway, here's the full tutorial. It took many things, there was errors and so on, but I dealt with it, so you can do it. So I'll do more of these videos, but right now we will work further with object detection, I think. So that's all for this video. I hope that this was useful for you. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in comment section below this video. If you liked my video, smash up the likes button and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Then you'll get more of my videos. Text version of this tutorial and links will be left in video subscription. Be sure to check if you don't want to follow the video. And thank you all for watching. Good luck and see you in the next tutorial.